Good morning, children. We are going to do another statement problem with three unknowns. Question number 5 from exercise 1.2. So we are going to use Cramer's rule. See, question number 5 gives us the table which will ease our framing equations. A, B, C, three commodities are given and the weights are also assigned as 1, 2 and 3. Total weight is given in the last column. So we can frame the equations using this. Look at the first row, A, 1, 2, 3, 11. So I can write the equation 1 into x plus 2 into y plus 3 into z is equal to 11. Same way we write the remaining equations. The last line says find the weights. So let us assume x to be weight of the first commodity, say A, the variety 1, and y to be for the variety 2 and z to be for the variety 3. As we frame the equations, x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 11, 2x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 21, 3x plus 5y plus 6z is equal to 27. Let us write del. So how to write del? We use the coefficients 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6. And we all know how to expand the determinant. We put the symbol plus, minus, plus. So plus 1 into, minus 2 into and plus 3 into. How to write this determinant? If I want 1, hide first row and hide first column. I am left with 4, 5, 5, 6. Similarly, when I write minus 2, hide first row and hide second column. I have 2, 5, 3, 6. And when I come to 3, hide first row and last column. I get 2, 4, 3, 5. And we all know how to expand this. 1 into 24 minus 25 minus 2 into 12 minus 15 plus 3 into 10 minus 12. And we simplify the bracketed terms. Then we multiply and we arrive at the answer. Now as I get the answer, immediately write del not equal to 0 means Cramer's rule can be applied. My second step is to write del x. To write del x, first column, the x values replaced by RHS. What is RHS? 11, 21, 27. So the RHS we write for del x as the first column. And then y, z we copy as it is. So we expand 11 into 4, 5, 5, 6. We have expanded 2 into minus symbol. So minus 2 into 21, 5, 27, 6 we have expanded. Plus 3 into 21 into 5 minus 27 into 4. So we have expanded here. And the answer, as we simplify, we get minus 2. So what does Cramer's rule say? X is equal to del x by del. Del x value minus 2 and del value minus 1. So we get x is equal to minus 2 by minus 1, which is nothing but 2. Similarly, we find out del y and del z followed by y and z. As we write del y, first x coefficients as it is, y coefficients I will replace the RHS 11, 21, 27. Z coefficients we will write as it is. Expand the determinant plus, minus, plus. So 1 into 21 into 6 minus 27 into 5. Minus 11 into 2 into 6 minus 3 into 5. Plus 3 into 2 into 27 minus 3 into 21. And we simplify the answer and we arrive at minus 3. What is y value? Y is equal to del y by del. Minus 3 by minus 1 equals 3. Similarly, we go on to del z. So we keep x y column as it is. Z alone we replace by right hand side numbers. We expand the determinant and we arrive at the answer -1. Z is equal to del Z by del, and del Z by del is -1 by -1. As we get Z is equal to 1, take and write the three answers. Weight of variety 1 is X value. Weight of variety 2, Y value. Weight of variety 3, Z value. Or else you can write like this also. X, Y, Z equals 2, 3 and 1. That is the answer. Good morning children. Exercise 1.2, question number 6. Again we are doing a statement problem using Cramer's rule. A total of 8,500 was invested in 3 interest earning accounts. So we are taking the 3 investments to be X, Y and Z. So let X, Y, Z be the total amount invested in the 3 earning accounts. Now the total amount given is 8,500. So we are taking X plus Y plus Z is equal to 8,500. Now what about the interest given? 2%, 3%, 6%. So there are 3 investments and the simple interest is 380 for 1 year. How do you calculate the simple interest? The interest rate into the amount invested. So X, Y, Z. So how do we write it? 2% of X, 3% of Y and 6% of Z gives the total 380. So we can cross multiply by 100 and we write 2X plus 3Y plus 6Z is equal to 380 into 100, 38,000. The last equation says amount invested at 6% was equal to sum of the amounts in the other two. 6% represents Z, whereas the other two will be X and Y. So the amounts X and Y, the sum of it means X plus Y, is equal to the amount at 6%, that is Z. So how do I write the third equation? X plus Y equals Z. So we have the 3 equations rewritten like this way. Bring Z to the other side. So we have 1, 2, 3 equations. How to write del? Writing all the coefficients. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 1, minus 1. Let us expand 1 into, hide the row, hide the column. So we get 3 into minus 1 minus 1 into 6. Same way we write the other elements. So symbols plus, minus, plus. So we have expanded and minus 3 minus 6, minus 2 minus 6, 2 minus 3. So we multiply and we arrive at del value. Del not equal to 0, immediately write Cramer's rule can be applied. See, we proceed to find out del X. How to write del X? Looking at the equations, I have to hide X value and write Y, right hand side values. So instead of X, 8,500, 38,000, 0. Y and Z we copy as it is. So we get del X, and as I expand, I arrive at the answer minus 500. So expansion, let us remember plus, minus, plus symbols. Multiply, minus, multiply these two. Same way we do the other things. As I get the answer minus 500, what is X value? It is del X by del. So minus 500 by del value is minus 2. So minus 500 by minus 2 gives me 215. Similarly, we proceed on to del Y. For del Y, the Y values will be RHS. X and Z we copy as it is. As we write del y, we get 1 to 1. Instead of y, we have written RHS and z values. Now, del y, we expand 1 into 38,000 into minus 1, 0 into 6. We subtract. Minus 8,500 into 2 into minus 1, 1 into 6. So, we subtract and write. Plus 1 into 2 into 0 minus 1 into 38,000. So, as we simplify, we get del y is equal to minus 8,000. So, what is y value? Del y by del, that is minus 8,000 by minus 2, which is 4,000. And we proceed on to z, del z. So, del z, we copy x and y as it is. Instead of y, we have written the RHS. Expand it, plus, minus, plus. 1 into, hide the row, hide the column, 0 minus 38,000. Minus 1 into, hide the row, hide the column, 0 minus 38,000. Then third number 8,500, hide the row, hide the column, 2 minus 3. So we get minus 38,000, minus into minus plus 38,000, 2 minus 3 minus 1 into 8,500. As we simplify, del z is equal to minus 8,500. So what is z value? Del z by del. And we get 4,250. Now what is the original question we have taken? XYZ be the amount invested in the 3 earning accounts. So amount invested at the 3 different percentages. 2% is X value, 3% Y value, and 6% is Z value, and that is the answer.